Video presentation of lot 311 CWF auction. This does have through coolant through the spindle. Remote jog. Right now I'm running at roughly 5,500 RPMs. I got to keep the door shut to do it. We're gonna go ahead and crank it up. $10,000 RPMs. Okay, next we'll go ahead and run it through its paces. Start off with the Y-axis. The A6 rotary on here is lot 313 and it's not included in lot 311, just so you know. The probe, the probe is up there in the tool changer. We'll go ahead and simulate a tool change now. So I have the USB port on it. Go ahead and walk around the back here, get the verify serial number. Serial number is 1086459. Manufactured in 6th of 2011. All right. This concludes the video presentation of lot 311 CWF auction, ending October 23rd.